Use any support for the hand with torch. The plasma jet shoots through the molten metal. Sparks leave from the opposite side of the cut, not to the side. If during work the torch accidentally quits, press and gently release the start button repeatedly within 5 seconds to restore. Control the burr to one or to the other part of the detail cut by changing the angle of the torch. For cutting round openings, you can fasten the compass onto torch clamp bracket for your convenience. Alternatively, put a ball support for obtaining a straight cut. Before starting the torch, always refuel it. Watch that on the nozzle surface, the fuse sparks do not accumulate. Clean off with a metal brush. Remember, when cutting non-conductive materials like ceramic tile, it must be done only in mode 1. If it is necessary to cut an opening, hold the torch at a small angle in order to avoid reverse heat flux.